As we have just crossed the 4,000 subscriber mark here on the channel, I thought it's about time to give you guys a quick channel update. Coming up. Hi and welcome back to the channel here at the Underwater Filmmaking School. Thank you so much for tuning in again. Now this channel has gone through quite a transformation in the past couple of months. So today is really about giving you guys a bit of an update on what is new here on the channel. Mainly I want to talk about 5 things that are new here, so let's not waste any more time and dive right into it. Now the first big new thing here on the channel is that I have decided to sign up with Patron. For those of you who don't know what Patron is, it is an online platform that gives us creators the chance to connect with our fans and supporters by providing you some extra benefits, behind the scenes materials, direct connections to ourselves, all that sort of stuff, in exchange for a small monthly financial support that you guys give us creators, so we can continue creating the content that we like creating and you guys enjoy watching. Now I'm gonna link my Patreon account down in the video description below. Feel free to head over to Patreon, have a look at the 4 different supporter packages that I have put together, and if this content that I'm creating here at the Underwater Filmmaking School, if that's of use to you, if you would like to support me being able to keep on continuing creating these videos for you guys, please consider actually supporting and signing up for a supporter package at Patreon. I would really like having you as one of my patrons over at that platform. Another new thing here on the channel is that I've started using time codes just recently. Now what is a time code? Well, if you scroll down here on the video, you will actually find in the video description below, you will find a time code, or basically a table with different times and the topics of this video. So in the future, all my videos will have that time code listed in the video description below, and if there is a topic that interests you most out of the topic that we talk about in that specific video, you can basically just click onto that time code and the video will jump right into that section that interests you the most. So you don't have to scrub through the video looking for the portion that is of most interest to you. I've also taken the time to clean up the channel a little bit for you guys. Over the last year or so, the channel has become a little messy and it was sometimes difficult to find the videos that some people were looking for on the channel itself. So what I've done, I have gone through all the playlists that were on the channel and I have deleted and eliminated those that seemed irrelevant to me, and I have created new playlists with new topics that will come out here on the channel and just rearranged the content into these different playlists. So for me, it now makes sense how the content is organized and where you can find the appropriate stuff inside the playlists. Please feel free to have a look at the playlist and at the content and let me know if it does or doesn't make sense to you as it is right now, and I'll be more than happy to change it over again, so it actually makes sense for you and helps you find whatever content here on the channel you're looking for. If you've been a regular viewer of this channel, you know that for quite some time I have uploaded only once a week. Now I've put a bit of thought into the whole uploading schedule and decided that I want to step up the game a little bit and start uploading twice a week. So now I'm uploading every Monday and every Thursday, so that I can give you guys more content regarding filming underwater and learning how to film underwater. Now uploading twice a week means also producing quite a lot of content, and up until now, for the past couple of weeks or even month, it has actually worked quite well, but I'm also a little dependent on your ideas on or inputs on what you guys want to see here on the channel. So if you have a specific topic that you want me to cover when it comes to filming underwater, please feel free to put it down in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to pick up that topic and make a video about it. Now last but not least, there's gonna be a few new formats here on the channel. All in all, there's gonna be 4 new formats. One of them has already been launched a couple of weeks ago. The one that has already been launched is called Back to Basics. And Back to Basics is a short format where we talk about basic knowledge when it comes to filming underwater. Now I'm gonna link the already existing episodes up here in the corner, so feel free to go and check them out. Another format that will come out soon here on the channel is called Top Dive Destinations. I've realized that I've got a lot of unused footage from my previous travels sitting on my hard drive, and I really wanted to make use of that footage. So what I'm gonna do in the next couple of weeks and month, I will be putting together short videos about top dive destinations, or at least from my point of view, dive destinations that I consider to be top notch. So that's another format that will be coming out here on the channel. Since the whole COVID situation has started, I have actually taken up diving in Switzerland. Again, I hadn't dived for quite a while here in Switzerland, but because I wasn't able to travel, I've decided to start diving in Switzerland again, so also I can keep producing these videos for you guys. And I've fallen back in love with the diving here in Switzerland. So I have decided to come up with a new format called Diving in Switzerland, where we'll cover different areas of Switzerland, different lakes, and different diving destinations within the country of Switzerland, and I'll try to bring that in a short format, in short documentary style type of content to you guys, so you can see what the diving is like here in Switzerland. And the last one, number 4 of the new formats that will come out here on the channel, is actually a collab with my friend James from Divers Ready. We'll be starting a show called Across the Ocean. Obviously, he's sitting in Miami, I'm sitting in Zurich, so you get it. Across the ocean. Now it's gonna be a monthly show that we'll do, and we'll talk about different topics related to scuba diving and filming underwater, and we're gonna share our perspectives, his as a technical diver and a dive instructor, and mine as a underwater filmmaker. Now the first episode has already been recorded and should already be as well on James's channel. Now the way this works is that we're gonna be publishing these episodes on our channels. So the first episode will be hosted on James's channel, and I'll have a playlist on my channel linking to that episode, and then the second episode is gonna live on my channel, and James will link to it in a playlist that is on his channel, and this is how it's gonna go back and forth. And there you go guys, those are the new and exciting things happening here on the channel of the Underwater Filmmaking School. Let me know down in the comment section below what you think of these ideas and which one you're actually looking forward to the most. Thank you very much for watching. That was it for today's video. As always, do hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for being part of this journey here on YouTube, and being part of the amazing community that we have created in the past with the Underwater Filmmaking School. And I'm really looking forward to taking that journey a step further and seeing where it's gonna take us next. Thanks again for your time, and I will see you in the next video.